Question number 1. Butterflies visit to flowers too. Options are A. Get nectar, B. Get shelter, C. Smell the flowers, D. None of these. Correct answer is option A. Get nectar.
Question number 2. The longest part of human digestive system is. Options are A. Rectum, B. Small intestine, C. Stomach, D. Large intestine. The answer is option B. Small intestine. Question number 3. Which of the following organisms does not have a backbone? The options are A. Snake, B. Cockroach, C. Frog, D. Fish. The answer is option B. Cockroach. Question number 4. Which of the following animals reproduces differently than the others? The options are A. Bat, B. Tortoise, C. Duck, D. Crocodile. The answer is A. Bat. Bats give birth to their babies, while others lay eggs. Question number 5. Which of the following is the last part of human digestive system? Options are A. Anus, B. Esophagus, C. Stomach, D. Large intestine. The correct answer is A. Anus. Question number 6. Which part of our body controls the other parts of our body? The options are A. Brain, B. Spinal cord, C. Cranium, D. Femur. The answer is option A. Brain. Question number 7. The dash system defines the structure of the body. The options are A. Skeletal, B. Nervous, C. Respiratory, D. Digestive. The answer is option A. Skeletal. Question number 8. What absorbs water from the soil? The options are A. Stem, B. Roots, C. Leaves, D. Flowers. The answer is option B. Roots.
Question number 9. The skeletal system shows how the dash of the body are connected. The options are A. Blood cells, B. Nerves, C. Bones, D. Organs.
The answer is option C. Bones.
Question number 10. Dash is the long central bone of the rib cage. The options are A. Sternum, B. Femur, C. Tarsals, D. Cranium.
The answer is option A. Sternum.
Question number 11. Each leg, including foot, is made up of dash bones. The options are A. 16, B. 30, C. 32, D. 45.
The answer is option B, 30. Question number 12. Which of the following is present in soil and most helpful for the growth of plants? The options are A. Sand, B. Clay, C. Humus, D. Porous rocks. The answer is option C, humus. Question number 13. The layer immediately above the bedrock is, the options are A. Humus, B. Topsoil, C. Subsoil, D. Parent material. The answer T, option D, parent material. Question number 14. Protection of soil from erosion is known as, the options are A. Soil erosion, B. Crop rotation, C. Afforestation, D. Soil conservation. The answer is option D, soil conservation. Question number 15. The hardest natural substance found on earth is, the options are A. Soil, B. Slate, C. Quartz, D. Diamond. The answer T, option D, parent material.
Question number 16. Cactus plant grows in. The options are A. Humus-rich soil, B. Sandy soil, C. Clay soil, D. Loamy soil. The answer is option B. Sandy soil.
Question number 17. What is the approximate age of Earth? The options are A. 4.5 billion years, B. 4.8 billion years, C. 6.9 billion years, D. 8.7 billion years. The answer is option A, 4.5 billion years. Question number 18. The liquid that comes out after eruption of volcanoes is called, the options are A. Magma, B. Knife, C. Seal, D. Igneous. The answer is A. Magma. Question number 19. Dash were used for making tools, weapons and other construction materials. The options are A. Soil, B. Sand, C. Rocks, D. Minerals.
The answer is option C. Rocks. Question number 20. The Great Wall of China is made up of. The options are A. Marble, B. Rocks, C. Sediments, D. Granite.
The answer is option B. Rocks.
Question number 21. Which of the following flowers bloom only at night? The options are A. Sunflower, B. Water lily, C. Primrose, D. Morning glory.
The answer is option C, primrose. Question number 22. Structures that help plants to breathe are called. The options are A. Roots, hair, B. Petiole, C. Chloroplast, D. Stomata.
The answer is option D, stomata.
Question number 23. The flowers develop into dash in some plants. The options are A. Roots, B. Stem, C. Leaf, D. Fruit. The answer is option D, fruit. Question number 24. Eucalyptus is a dash plant. The options are A. Desert, B. Aquatic, C. Grassland, D. Mountain. The answer is option D, mountain.
Question number 25. Which of the following is an example of herb? The options are A. Mango plant, B. Rose plant, C. Tulsi plant, D. Money plant.
The answer is option C, tulsi plant.